Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of mycology. And today's practical is the structure of basidiocarp of agaricus. Basidiocarp, it is a fruiting body of agaricus, and agaricus is the member of basidiomycetes, and most of the fungi of basidiomycetes which produces fruiting bodies. These fruiting bodies are described as basidiocarp, or it is also known as fruiting body. Let us see the structure of basidiocarp. During practical, what we require to study the basidiocarp, let us see the requirement. The museum specimen of basidiocarp or fruiting body, or a fresh fruiting body of agaricus. In rainy season it is available everywhere. And what we have to do, practically what we have to do, examine the different parts of the basidiocarp given for the study and note the details of every part of fruiting body. Let us describe the details of the basidiocarp of agaricus here. The genus agaricus, it is a saprophytic fungus, that means it can grow on dead organic matter. And the fruiting body of agaricus, it is also known as basidiocarp. And the basidiocarp, it consists of following parts, that is number 1, pilus. The pilus, it is also known as cap. A umbrella-like shape of the basidiocarp, it is known as pilus. It is umbrella-like in its shape. It resembles an umbrella. It is thick and fleshy that varies greatly in size, shape and color. The surface of the pilus may be smooth or hairy or rough. Okay. And this is the umbrella-like shape of basidiocarp. And this umbrella-like shape of basidiocarp, that the pilus, the ventral surface of the pilus, that consists of numerous membrane-like structures. These thin membranous structures which are hanging from the lower surface of the pilus are known as gills, or they are also known as lamellae. Okay, and the lamellae hang down from the underside of the pilus in a radiating manner from the margin towards the stalk. Okay, and the gills, these lamellae are also known as gills, and the gills bear spores on their surfaces and changes in color due to changing color of the spore. This we have to observe. Next, annulus. This is also a part of basidiocarp of agaricus. In the very young stage, the margin of the pilus is connected to the stem by a thin membrane. Later on, the pilus extends into a cap-like structure. During this process, the connection between cap and stem gets broken, and the remains of the broken membrane which is attached to the stem form a ring which is known as annulus. Okay, and stipe or the stalk or the stem. The stipe, it is the stalk or the stem of the basidiocarp or fruiting body, or it is also known as stipe, and this structure supports the cap. The stalk-like structure of the fruiting body is known as stipe. Okay, and the stipe is made up of compactly arranged sterile hyphae, hence it is fleshy or maybe hollow. Okay, and the fruiting body we discussed here, it is the fruiting body of agaricus. This is the photograph taken from Kannad forest, and this is the practical protocol of BSc first year undergraduate level. Okay, and this fungus, it is the member of basidiomycetes. Order is agaricales, family Agaricaceae, and the genus is agaricus. Okay, this is all about practical of basidiocarp. Just you have to observe the museum specimen given to you, and you have to describe the all external features of the fruiting body of agaricus or the basidiocarp of agaricus. Okay. Next, thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.